Not every MIG welder deserves your money. Some overpromise and underperform, while others simply don't have the power or features you need. To help you avoid an expensive mistake, we've compared the top-rated models and narrowed them down to the 5 best options for performance, reliability, and overall value. One of these machines even combines powerful welding and plasma cutting in a single unit. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Product number 1. YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro. The YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro is a 5-in-1 welding machine designed for those who need power and flexibility in one unit. It supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. With dual 110V/220V voltage and up to 200 amps of output, it easily handles both thin and thick materials like steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Its digital display allows precise control and real-time monitoring, making it simple for both beginners and experienced users. The synergic setting automatically adjusts voltage with wire speed, while manual control gives experts full customization. Built-in safety features protect against overload, overheating, and voltage fluctuations for safe, reliable use. Pros: powerful 200A output and clear digital interface. Cons: TIG torch and spool gun must be purchased separately. This model is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile and durable welding machine for home, shop, or on-site projects. Product number 2. ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder is a 4-in-1 unit built for convenience and portability. It supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. This dual-voltage machine automatically adjusts current and wire feed speed using synergic control, taking the guesswork out of setup. It's lightweight at just under 12 pounds, making it easy to carry anywhere. Ideal for DIY jobs, maintenance, or outdoor repairs, it handles carbon steel and stainless steel smoothly. Built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating ensures longer machine life and user safety. The interface is simple to understand, even for those new to welding, while still offering the control that pros appreciate. Pros: easy to use with automatic synergy and very portable design. Cons: TIG torch not included. Great for beginners or home welders looking for strong performance, lightweight design, and simple setup in one affordable machine. Product number 3. YESWELDER YWM 160 MIG Welder. The YESWELDER YWM 160 is a 4-in-1 MIG welder offering gas MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick functions. It delivers up to 160 amps and operates on dual 110V/220V voltage, providing stable performance for both light and medium-duty welding tasks. The smart synergic control automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed based on your chosen material, making it extremely beginner-friendly. The bright LED display helps you easily read settings, and for professionals, the manual mode gives complete control. It supports both small and large wire spools and works well with various electrodes, including 6010, 6011, and 7018. Safety is built in with overload and overheat protection, ensuring long-term reliability. Pros: clear LED interface and smart automatic adjustment. Cons: TIG torch sold separately. This compact and reliable welder is ideal for home workshops, small businesses, or anyone wanting quality performance without the complexity. Product number 4. ARCCAPTAIN 250A MIG Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN 250A MIG Welder is a professional 6-in-1 machine made for heavy-duty welding work. It supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick, lift TIG, spot, and spool gun modes, giving users a wide range of capabilities. With up to 250 amps of power and dual 110V/220V voltage, it's strong enough for thick materials and continuous use. The large LED screen and digital MCU control system provide high precision and steady output. Special features like adaptive crater, burnback adjustment, and pre/post flow improve efficiency and weld quality. It includes full safety protections, such as VRD and overload prevention, ensuring dependable operation. The package also comes with key accessories so you can start welding right away. Pros: excellent power and digital accuracy. Cons: higher price compared to basic models. This welder is ideal for serious welders and professionals who demand advanced control, smooth performance, and long-term durability. Product number 5. TOOLIOM 5 in 1 MIG/TIG/cut/stick welder. The TOOLIOM 5 in 1 welder is a true multiprocess machine that combines MIG, TIG, cut, and stick functions in one durable design. It runs on 110/220V dual voltage and offers up to 200 amps of welding power. The built-in plasma cutter delivers up to 50 amps for clean cuts on metal up to 3/8 inch thick, making it great for both welding and cutting tasks. The large LCD display clearly shows all settings and allows fast adjustments. It can weld aluminum using a spool gun or MIG gun with a graphite wire feed tube, though these accessories are sold separately. Both synergic and manual modes are available, giving beginners automatic simplicity and professionals full control. Pros: all-in-one welding and cutting capability, clear LCD interface. Cons: spool gun not included. This is best for experienced welders or small workshop owners who want a single, powerful tool for multiple tasks without needing separate machines. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.